Okay. You want to open a couple of things? Super simple. A lint remover. I bought some amazing sweaters, and guess what I did? Wash them like I always do. For some reason, I never follow the dry cleaning or the cleaning directions. So, this is supposed to help. Let's see. Grab one of these sweaters. I paid, what was this? $7.99, I think it was. Has like a brush on this side, then it has like a metal thing that's kind of sharp a little bit on this side. So I'm always buying something, but I got some beautiful sweaters. And I did not follow the directions. I don't even know if you can see this. Look at all the lint on there. Yeah, you can see a little bit. So I bought this to fix both of my sweaters. I don't know if y'all seen these commercials online, but I have. Let's see. Try this out first. Oh my God. Is that working? I guess it is working. I think it's gonna take me some time to do it. Cause look, ain't bright enough in here. I need to cut my other light on. This side won't work. I feel like this one does. I know it's got a bunch of hair in there. It's doing something. Let's hope it works. I think I paid $9.99 for this from Amazon. All right. Next item. Express. I'm sure this is some more sweaters that I'll mess up. I think I buy sweaters to wear them like one time. Because I usually shrink them. Or I just mess them up. So I have these ones I just bought that lint thing from. They're in a bag to go to the cleaner so they can get that stuff off for me. But whatever. Let's see. These were on sale. So I'm trying to replace some of the other sweaters I tore up already. Let's see how much I paid for this stuff. I'm sure it was cheap though. So first sweater, cute. Actually, I think it's the same as the sweater I just put down there. It is, look. So pretty and warm. No, it's a little different. Like a tunic. I love tunic sweaters for some reason now. That's what this is too. But I shrank this one. It's not the same sweater though. And I messed it up, so I'm gonna use my Jazzy tool some more, or I'm gonna be taking them to the cleaner so they can do it for me. Pay those couple extra bucks, let somebody else do it. Can't wait to wear it. I'm gonna wear this to work on Tuesday, cause just extra like that. So cute, cute, cute. That's it. What is this tag? Say how much this thing costs. $69.99. That is not a deal. Now that's the markdown price too. It's red. This is clearance. I'm always doing that. But it feels beautiful. And let's see what the cleaning directions are right now. So let's see. I don't want to mess it up. This sweater is nice. Let's see. Can't read it. Turn garment inside out. Wash cold with light colors. Okay, so this one. Wait, what did it say for dry? Gentle cycle only, non-chlorine bleach. You know, when you don't have to use bleach, you could just use vinegar. Oh, that's not. Got a shadow on me. It's not that good. That's lighting. Let's see. Lay flat to dry. So no dryer. I can't wait to wear it Tuesday. And then one more. Let's see. Cute, 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 cute. Cute sweater. This says $98. It had to be on sale. I don't buy nothing unless it's on sale or some kind of deal. Let's see what the cleaning directions are on here. For those of you that don't know, the older you get, you can't read right here. You can barely make out words. Think about how small the letters are on garments. And look how far away it is. I can actually read it. Bam! Turn garment inside out. Machine wash cold with light colors. Gentle cycle only. Non-chlorine bleach when needed. Lay flat to dry. Cool. Iron if needed. Did you see that? Look, how small is it? Look. Well, I guess the camera is the same too. Look at that. Up close. I mean, I guess they can read it, but they can still focus back here. Whatever. Yeah. Very cute, cute.